review on a few little knives I picked up the other day. It's a little SwitchBlade knife I picked up. Don't know if I'm going to sell these or not because the handles are kind of cracked on them, but thought it'd be a neat little knife. To pick up. It's pretty cheap. It's plastic, blue plastic handles, really. And on the front, it's got a locking mechanism where it won't open up unless you pull this button down right here to there, and works pretty well. Good little knife made in Italy. Very sharp, probably overall length of 8 or 9 inches. Got probably 4.5, 5-inch blade. Good little knife. Just to close it, you just press the button back in and locks back in. But I'm gonna do a little review on these little blue SwitchBlades I got in the box and everything.